Welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your MacBook Air M4. In order to charge your device, you have to grab the power adapter to your MacBook, attach the USB-C side of the cable you received with your MacBook into the adapter, and then plug the adapter into the power outlet. After that, you have to connect the MagSafe end of the cable to the MacBook Air's MagSafe 3 port on the left side of your computer. And once you connect it, the magnetic connector will snap into place, and the indicator light on top will glow either amber while it's charging or green if it's fully charged. Alternatively, you can use any type of the USB-C or Thunderbolt ports on the left side. So just connect a USB-C cable on the to a power adapter, and the other side to your laptop, so to one of the ports on the left side. And always remember to use the cables and chargers that either came with your MacBook or Apple certified accessories, because all other unofficial chargers can break or damage your laptop's battery. And also additional information is that the MagSafe with the original charger, with the original adapter, have 30 watts of power supply, which is a slow charging type. It will get your device fully charged in 2 to 2.5 hours. If you want faster charging, you're gonna have to use the USB-C type of charging with 60 watts of power adapter. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.